Puddling by Emma Perry and Claire Alexander. Clouds gather, skies darken, raindrops, puddles appear. Let's go! Drops race down the glass. Nose pressed. Which wins? Let's go! Wellies on, coat zipped, hood up. Open door, open gate. Hug, hug, hug. Let's all go! Puddling! Drenched dog stops still, shakes head, shakes body. Watch out, water flying everywhere. Let's keep puddling. Stimp, stamp, stomp. Umbrellas fly, coats flap, hats cover, busy people missing fun. Look out, rushing past. Big bike, big puddle. Splash! Let's keep puddling. Splish, splash, splosh. Muddy puddles, teeny puddles. Uh-oh, humongous puddle, deep puddle, wellies. Full, squish, squash, squelch. Socks soggy, toes cold. Let's go back. Open gate, open door. Hood down, zip down. Wellies off. Let's all snuggle. Thanks for watching Love to Read with Miss Ellis. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye for now.